Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we are going to wire a three-phase industrial electrical panel. If you are interested in electricity, I suggest that you watch this video until the end and pay attention to some points. In the first step, we install the ducts in the electrical panel. This electrical panel includes three three-phase outputs and one single-phase output. At this stage, we install the rails in place. The electrical panel equipment is placed on these rails. The installation of rails and ducts is finished. In the next part, we will install the protective equipment in the electrical panel. In this electrical panel, we used an rccb switch as the main switch. This switch protects people and animals from electrocution. This switch supplies electricity to the entire electrical panel. The second device is a three-phase monitoring relay. This relay is designed to protect three-phase consumers and prevent damage to electric motor by controlling three-phase electricity. This electrical panel includes three three-phase outputs, for each of which we install a three-phase miniature switch. Also, this electrical panel includes a single-phase output that is installed on the body of the electrical panel with a single-phase outlet. We use a single-phase 2 ampere switch to connect and disconnect the command circuit. Also, each three-phase output needs a contactor, which we install. We use a current controller relay to prevent each three-phase electric motor. In this step, we install the input and output terminals on the rails. At first, we install the three-phase and neutral input terminals. Three-phase and neutral electricity enters the electrical panel using these terminals. We use three terminals for each three-phase output. And we also install two terminals next to each three-phase output when we intend to use a single-phase output. This is for first output. This is for second output. And this is for third output. The installation of the equipment is finished. In the next step, we will do the wiring of the electrical panel. If you don't know the detailed method of wiring the equipment, click on the above link and watch the related training video. In this step, we do the wiring of the power circuit. For this, we connect 3 phases and neutral wire from the input terminals to the input of the RCCB switch. The wiring diagram of this electrical panel will be shown to you at the end of the video. In this step, we connect 3 phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the miniature switch. This is for the first phase. This is for the second phase. And this is for the third phase. In this step, we connect the wires to the RCCB switch. Before connecting, we need to connect 3 phase wires and 1 neutral wire to the phase controller relay so that they can be controlled using those phases. In this step, we connect the three phases from the output of the miniature switch to the input of the corresponding contactor. Then we connect the three-phase wires from the output of the contactors and pass through the current controller holes and connect to the output terminals. With this, the current is measured by these devices. At this stage, we have also connected a phase wire from the output of the contactor to the single-phase output terminals. We know that single-phase outputs need a neutral wire, so we connect the neutral wire from the output of the RCCB switch to the neutral terminals. A single-phase outlet that is connected to the body of the electrical panel also needs a neutral and phase wire. So we connect a phase wire from this miniature switch and connect its neutral wire to this RCCB switch. Also, all current controllers, contactors, and phase controllers need a neutral wire that we connect. Then we connect the output of the load control relay to the contactor coil. With this, when the relay is activated, the contactor connected and pass the current, and if an error occurs, it cuts the contactor. To turn on the electric motors, we use 3 selector switches on the door of the electrical panel. The input power of these switches is connected to the output of the phase controller relay, and their output is connected to the input part of the current controller relay. To complete the command circuit, we connect a phase wire from the output of this switch to the input of the phase controller relay, and we connect its output to the input of selector switches. The electrical panel wiring is finished. At this stage, we close the door of the ducts and then show the wiring diagram. The wiring diagram of this electrical panel can be seen in this image. To learn more, please save the image. This video is finished. If you liked the video, please press the like and subscribe button. Goodbye.